we are explaining how to make a screensaver. These are my header files. As you see, I have a header file named process.h. Now we have defined three functions, that is the movement of my screensaver bubbles, next creating the bubble, that is defining the bubble, and next clearing the bubbles. What exactly is my bubbles and clear bubbles is, in bubbles I am just drawing a circle and I am setting a color, whereas in clear bubble I am saying that circle with the color of black, that is disappearing since my screen is also black. Now I go to the function. In my main function I initialize my graph, and then I have defined, as I have said that there will be 10 circles in my screensaver, so I have the center of 10 circles, that is 10 x coordinate and 10 y coordinate, with radius already taken as 4 and distance d and color 10 kind of. Now first what I did, I initialized a randomized function. The randomized function is a predefined function, and what it does is that it finds pseudo randomized coordinates within a certain range already given to it. So it actually finds the coordinates of the circle that we need. Now I am giving the position, direction and color of the circle using my x and y, that is center, with a random of, I am telling my the screen coordinate maximum x, maximum y, with plus minus of 80, and my radius is 40, thus at least should be a distance away of 41. Direction and color.
So here we are checking the conditions, that is the x coordinate and the y coordinate of the circle center is circle is less than 1 or not, and next we are checking whether the x coordinate and the y coordinate is less than get max of minus 1, greater than get max minus 1, or get max y minus 1 or not. If it's not, then the we will not this loop will not work, and so there is no movement of the circle. And if these conditions are satisfied, then what we are doing in dj of I, we are putting any random direction of the circle, and then there will be movement of the circle by this movement function. And the next is for checking the collision of the bubble and making it disappear when if there is collision. For this, what we are doing is, we are getting the x coordinate, y coordinate of the circle center and the radius of the circle. Next, by this L is equal to a square of the coordinates of the circle center, and we are checking the distance, that is distance between the centers of the two circles. By this we will check whether there will be collision or not. So if j is not equal to k, that is we are checking it for the number of circle, that is 10. So here k is equal to less than equal to n, that is the number of the circles which we are taking in the screensaver. So next what we are doing is we found out the least distance between the two bubbles, and now we are checking whether there will be collision or not by comparing the distance between their diameter. So here, while if L is less than equal to 2r, that is the diameter of the circle, then there will be no collision. So then what we will do is, there will be a movement of the circle, else there will be no movement of the circle and the circle will be disappeared.
What the movement function does is, it takes the d variable and checks in which direction it should put, that is top right, bottom right, left, bottom left and top left, and accordingly we change the coordinates, that is y, x. This is the code. We compile it, we run it. A little disturbance is there, but you can see the bubbles this side. See, for a short period of time the bubbles are coming, for a fraction of seconds just. You could have seen 3 or 4 times. Yeah.